Hello guys, welcome to Arknote Media Global YouTube channel. This tutorial is hosted by Arknote Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to create music using AI. This AI platform will help you to compose the song, create the music, add beats, and every other musical style that you want in the music. AI is actually taking us to another level this time around. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, like, comment and share. So here's the results of the music I created using AI.
Waiting be life if you know if you love. The only wahala they fool the world too much.
So after putting the prompts for us to generate the lyrics, so yeah, I just have to put make sure that it's an Afro song that I want the AI to generate for me. So after that, go to this website suno.com, just click on custom and go back to ChatGPT to copy the lyrics. So copy and then paste here, go back again and let's copy the chorus, go back to Suno, paste inside that same box. So after that, let's check. So just try to look at the lyrics and ensure it aligns with what you want. So look at it very well, just scroll down. Then here you would have to input the style, Afrobeat, check for some other stuff as well, and that actually resonates to what you want. Do you understand? So here I'm just trying to select certain style that I want, style. And if you want to add more, you can click on that refresh icon here. So scroll down here, you just have to leave it like that. And after, so if you just want the instrumental, that is when you click on that that icon. So just click on create. So our song has been created and here's the song.
Life if you know if you love. The only wahala they fool the world. Too much balaga, too much fights. But now love go make the whole thing right. I see my brother, I see my sis. Then they suffer, make we show them peace. No be by tribe, no be by skin. Now the same blood where they run with me. Let love rule, oh nana. I love go heal the wound, oh nana. Anywhere you did, just show up. From Lagos, go and kill a love flow up. Let love rule the world, oh. No carry hate for your soul, oh. Whether black or white to be one. Let love lead to kingdom come. Too much fight, but I love go make the whole.
So if you want to download, just click on the three dots and click on download. So you would have it there. Yeah, so you'd see that it's already downloading. And this song is just about letting love rules our world. And what is love? Who is love? God is love. ChatGPT helps us to compose, and now an AI platform helps to generate the song, add the beats, add the sequence, the loop and everything. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you can get notification whenever we post valuable content like this. Like, comment and share. Peace out.